Ready to transform your gig description from boring text into a client-converting machine? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to write a Fiverr gig description that not only ranks well but actually persuades clients to hire you. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Your gig description is where you seal the deal. It's your chance to show clients why you're the perfect choice and address all their concerns before they even contact you. Let's craft a description that converts. First, structure your description with clear sections. Start with a powerful hook that grabs attention, followed by the problem you solve, your solution, what clients get, and a strong call to action. This logical flow keeps clients reading and builds trust. Use your first paragraph as your elevator pitch. Immediately address the client's pain point and present yourself as the solution. For example, tired of confusing data? I transform complex numbers into clear, actionable insights through stunning data visualization. Break up text with bullet points and subheadings. Clients scan quickly, so make your key benefits easy to spot. List exactly what you deliver in each package, using specific numbers and details. Instead of quality designs, say 3 unique concepts with 2 rounds of revisions. A crucial pro tip: speak directly to your ideal client and use you language. Focus on the benefits they'll receive rather than just listing features. Instead of I provide SEO optimization, try I'll help you rank higher on Google and attract more customers to your website. Incorporate relevant keywords naturally throughout your description. Think about what your ideal client would search for and weave those terms into your text. But remember, write for humans first, search engines second. And there you have it, a gig description that doesn't just inform, but persuades and converts. A well-crafted description can be the difference between a client clicking away and clicking order now. If this formula helps you write better descriptions, please give it a like. What's your best tip for writing compelling gig descriptions? Share your wisdom in the comments below. To continue optimizing your gig, subscribe for our next video on how to add an FAQ section to your Fiverr gig. Thanks for watching.